Is IceDrive good? What are all the features? How much it costs? Well, let's discuss all that in today's video. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to check out IceDrive, you can do so from the description where you might find some discounts. First off, let's talk about what IceDrive is. Essentially, it's a cloud storage service that allows you to store and access your files from anywhere at any time. Using just an internet connection, you can just upload files to your IceDrive account and then access them from your computer, phone or tablet, or even share them with others. One of the things I really like about IceDrive is its sleek and user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate and find your files, and the design is modern and clean. Plus, the service is available in all major platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS and Android, so you can access your files no matter what device you are using. To do so, we need to download their app, and once we do that, a new virtual drive would appear next to our other drives in my computer. This drive functions same as our other drives. The only difference is that all the files inside this drive will be stored on our cloud account. If we paste a file inside this drive, it will be uploaded to our IceDrive account, and if we delete a file from this drive, it would be deleted from the cloud as well. On a Mac device, you can download and install their app, though you won't get any virtual drive. However, you can open their app and upload and download your files directly from it. You can also manage your files on the cloud. To make your data secure, you can also enable two-factor authentication for the app. The app works the same on an Android or iOS device. You can do all sorts of things on the app that you were doing on the desktop. You can upload your photos, videos and documents, etc. And great thing is that you can stream that data directly from the cloud, so you don't need to download any files, which saves a lot of space on your phone. IceDrive also offers file and folder sharing feature. We can share files with family members and freelancers. Along with that, we can set passwords, expiration, disable downloads, and set download limits. You can also share folder links, and your collaborator can upload files to that folder, and they don't even need an IceDrive account. IceDrive also has a built-in media player. This means that you can stream your music, videos directly from the cloud without having to download them first. This is really useful feature if you are short on storage space on your device, or if you want to save on data usage. Now, there is something called version history in IceDrive. It can save the past 10 versions of your files for up to 180 days. So if you messed up a file, you can restore it from the past 10 versions. If you are on the free plan, you can recover up to 5 versions in the past 3 days. Coming down to the speeds were quite good. I uploaded 5 GB of file on my 100 Mbps connection, and it took me around 7 minutes to upload and 6 minutes 50 seconds to download. In fact, it's one of the faster cloud storage providers that we have tested. Talking about the security, I consider it to be one of the most secure cloud storage service. They claim that your email and name may become available to them if you contact them or subscribe to their newsletter. However, they also claim the data is kept secure and is never shared with third parties. They also don't use tracking services such as Google Analytics, so whatever you do on your IceDrive account remains a secret. Also, they have servers in the UK, which means they comply with GDPR and UK privacy laws, so our data on the IceDrive is safe and in the right place. Another thing that levels up our security is the zero knowledge encryption feature. So this means you can encrypt your files, which will make your data look scrambled in code, and it could be only decrypted with a key that holds by you, so no one can ever access your data. Make sure you write this down and store it in a safe place, because if you lost it, nobody would be able to recover your data. If you want to make your account even more secure, you can enable two-factor authentication. Now, when it comes to plans and pricing, IceDrive has a few different options. You can access their monthly plan like 1 TB or 5 TB for $5 per month or $19 per month respectively. You can go with yearly plan, which looks like this, or you can be smart and take their lifetime plan. Yes, they do offer lifetime plan. I would say that you should go with this one rather than a monthly or a yearly plan, as you can buy the storage once, and though it's upfront cost and would be a bit higher than the yearly plan, but in the long run it's going to save you money. You can choose between 150 GB, 3 terabytes, 10 terabytes for $100, $500 or $1,000 respectively. Overall, IceDrive is a great cloud storage service that offers a lot of features and value for its users. The user interface is easy to navigate, the security is top-notch, and the pricing plans are flexible to cater to different needs. The built-in media player and app are also great for the added bonus. If you are in the market for a cloud storage service, IceDrive definitely worth checking out, and you can do so from the first link in the description below. But that's been it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.